To the Kringle community all over the world. And wherever you are, whatever your time zone, good morning, good evening to every TV channels all over the world. I'm excited with the new admin blog post, guys. Our long-awaited GGR, Gold Green Coins, is out. Cabo. Hello, guys. This is a wonderful news to the community. So, guys, let me quickly go through the blog and to teach us for as many who are yet to know. Active members only can buy the much GGR as they want. This is the post from the admin. And guys, guess what? Exclusive offer. Exclusive offer. Exclusive offer. Active TBC members can buy as much GGR coin as they want inside the KCBO using KLove. Guys, we are using KLove to buy GGR right inside our Kringle Cashback office. Guys, you are asked, don't forget, protect your cash reserve against inflation with digital gold GGR. Wow, GGR to the moon. Guys, you can see again, exclusive offer for only active TBC members. What does it take to be active? Simply pay your billionaire program fee, and that is all. Then you get active into the Kringle community. So guys, all active members can now buy the GGR right inside their Kringle Cashback office. Now straight to the post. One GGR coin is the same value as 1 grain of gold. Remember that there are 480 grain in 1 troy ounce of gold. I present to you the exclusive offer for active TBC members only. You will be the first to be able to buy GGR inside the paid area of Kringle Cashback office. A new item on the KCBO menu will show up very soon, where you can click and buy as much GGR as you want. You are in the front of the line for a product the whole world will want during these high inflationary times we are in now globally. Honestly, paper money is losing its value so fast now. In some countries, the loss is 10% monthly already. Food is getting more expensive. Gas for the car is already too much to bear. Everything is going up so fast now. People need a secure way to protect their cash reserve, especially businesses. You can buy 1 grain up to any amount of grain as you want. We will sell by the grain. 1 grain is less than $4 today. The people that had gold in Germany before World War II lived comfortably, while those with paper money starved. Well, see the gold chart below to see what I mean. Guys, this is a gold chart, and you can also Google it. You see the gold price in Webnamax. You can go there to check it out. Now you can create your account GGR wallet by going to the ggrcoin.io. This is the new wallet link to where you can register your GGR wallet. So guys, don't waste time. Go on. For as long as you're an active member, go on and open your GGR. I have already done mine. So there is a video below for us. There's a video for us that we can watch to get this. And guys, guess what? This is my own GGR wallet. I just did that this afternoon. Wow. Behold, our new GGR wallet. Hooray. Up to register talks. So, guys, this is my own wallet. You can see this is the GGR. Guys, this GGR wallet, in fact, is fantabulous. It's good. It came with the same button. So there's no need to do any same button test for you to get this. Yeah, it came with the same button. As long as you're an active member. Guys, guess what? So you can go on and create your own wallet right now, as long as you are an active member. Guys, guess what? We can't just but thank the admin for this great opportunity, this great offer given to the community. Guys, guess what? GGR to the moon. So go and get your GGR now. Buy BNB, convert it to KLOF, and you will use your KLOF to buy the GGR. So guys, as fast as possible, let's get going. The race starts. Thank you very much. And for as many who are yet to subscribe to this channel, click on that bell by your right hand side and subscribe to it so that you always get a first hand notification whenever I post any video. Thank you very much. See you. Bye for now.